Riri mathomo matamu ya keri mambiririe thutha wa arutwo kuhingura thukuru mwambiririo wa kiumia giki. Amwe a arutwo kaunti-ini ya MAKUENI matiri marahingura thukuru. Gucererwo kwa arutwo aya gucoka thukuru kumanite na urugamiriri wa thukuru ici kuhoya ihinda makiria niguo guthondeka thukuru ici kuona ni imwe ciria ciathukangirio ni mbura. Hindi ya muriongo wa maafitha githomo kaunti-ini ino ya MAKUENI marakorire thukuru wa airitu wa St Carmel Kilome utari na murutwo kuona utigitwo utari na cioro arutwo mangihuthira.
We have had problems with our toilets. They are slowly sinking due to the heavy rains, and because of that it wasn't safe for the girls to come and use them, so we had to come up with emergency toilets to be used by the students once they reopen. The emergency toilets will be complete by today in the afternoon.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa githomo sub-county-ini ino ya Muka Rashid Ali akiuga kuona thukuru uyu uri mihango-ini ya guthondeka cioro ni eraniire ati arutwo ni megukorwo magicoka thukuru ica ikuhi.
We see the progress is on course, and we are pretty sure when the girls resume term 2 tomorrow, they will find facilities that can be of help to them as the school board continues to see on how they can have a proper structure constructed.
Thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa St Patrick Kawese no arutwo 39 hari arutwo 111 macokete thukuru gukinyeria riu. Murutani munene thukuru-ini uyu Mary Mutonya akiuga arutwo aria matacokete ni kumana na guthuka gwa barabara iria mageragira kuria oritie guthondekwo gwa barabara ici.
Tangu tufungue shule umula wa pili ilibidi watoto waje shuleni, but hawangeweza kufika kwa sababu kuna mito ambayo ni kama daraja ya kutoka Kajiado to MAKUENI County na imefurika ikabomolewa na maji na ikawa hakuna kivukio cha watoto kufika shuleni. Watoto wa shule ya St Patrick Kawese ni 111.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Jitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.